Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and replacing the side marker light in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. We're going to take these T25s out for the front grille. We're using a T25 socket, extension, and a ratchet. And I'm going to grab underneath the grille and just pull forward. There's little clips underneath. That came out kind of easy. You may have to work at it a little bit. I'm going to pull this panel off. Grab underneath and pull. We have a T25 that goes straight up and down. I'm going to use our T25 socket and extension. Get on it. And there's two more down here. We're going to pull our connector for our fog lights. You're going to push on this little tab here and then pull down. The connector will pull right out. Push down and pull that straight out. And the driver's side is the same. On the driver's side, the wiring harness had a retainer that's attached to the bumper. You're going to pull it straight out. So we're going to take out all these T25s. There's one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, these two, and these two. Now on both sides, I'm going to grab right here and pull out. I'm going to take these last two out. Pull straight forward. I'm going to pull this outside marker light out. We have the bumper off for this. It's going to be easier to show how to do it, but you can do this in the car. What you do when you pull that light out, you're going to push on this tab here and it will slip out. When that's out, you just pull it out this way, and that's it. You're going to want to line this tab up over here. Push that there. We're just going to put a little bit of pressure on the back until it locks in. For ease of installation, it's easier if you have a partner, and when taking it off, you can line it up. install these two T25s. Now we're going to install these T25s. Next, we're gonna connect the fog light, well, the marker light. Push that in. Now we're gonna connect the fog light. Just push it on until it's locked in. And do the same for the driver's side. All right, we're gonna install this last. We're gonna install this T25 going up. You're gonna push on the fender. You're gonna push on the bumper and make sure it lines up while you're tightening it. Put these Torx screws in. Install the cover, put it in up top, push in. Install the grill. And line it up down below. And push, lock it into place. Install these 4 Torx screws.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.